Hello students. Yes. Today we are going to discuss with the new concept and also it is the general concept also. Okay. If you see what is the lesson we are going to discuss today is we are going to discuss the lesson. The name of the lesson is garbage in and garbage out. Why ma'am going to discuss with this lesson? Or you can think that why they are going to put this lesson in our syllabus. Is there that much important is the garbage? We just throw the garbage, right? We just throw the garbage from our house to the outside. We don't think that where it went, what happens to it, everything we don't know. Then why we are going to discuss with this topic, the garbage in and garbage out? Is that so important? Yes. If you see that, we want to know, okay, we want to know that where these garbages are go. We just throw away the garbage out from our home, right? We don't care about that, where it go, what happens to it, nothing we will know, right? Are you? Are you the people of the Indians, right? We want to know that where all the garbages what we thrown, where it went. And if you see when that the garbage collecting people will come in, you scold them only, right? Collect all the garbages, go. Huh? They tell to, if you see nowadays, all the garbage collectors are tell that make the garbages into the two pots, right? They're going to tell that make that garbages into the two pot. One, the pot in which all the vegetables waste, some of the vegetables related to the vegetables, greeneries, that waste kept in the one side and all the plastic, dust, paper, like that kept in the other side. We will collect that garbage in the two different ways. For them also you are scolding. Hey, tagondogappa. Hey go. Like that, right? You are scolding like that. Is there work to separate your own garbages into the two pots? No, right? That is our responsibility, right? If the government gives some of the rules for us means we want to follow the rules. That is help for us only, not for any other people. Is it right? Okay, if you see that the garbage in and the garbage out, everything we will discuss. I think this concept, that means this lesson will go smoothly. We will discuss what we see surround us only. First, if you are going to discuss it with the garbages, now our Prime Minister of India launched one mission, right? Who is the Prime Minister of India? Who is the Prime Minister of India? Yes, what you said are right, Narendra Modi. Okay, Narendra Modi ji launched one mission as the name of Swachh Bharat Mission. What is the name of the mission? Swachh Bharat Mission. On October 2nd, 2019, Sir launched the mission of the Swachh Bharat Mission. Under this mission, we are going to clean so many rivers. Example, Ma Ganga. If you see before, if you saw that there is so many garbages, so many waste and so many dirty particles, and also if you see the dead bodies, yeah, so many dead bodies, half burned bodies, all the things, they just float in the water, right? So many garbages of burnt bodies, dead bodies, all the things, they are just float in the river. After this mission, when this mission was come, that is Swachh Bharat mission, river Ganga, if you consider that in the 100%, before this mission, only the 30 to 40% of the river Ganga is clean. Nowadays, if you see, after this mission came, Ma Ganga, or river Ganga, is get pured up to 70%. Nowadays also so many garbages are thrown to the river, but the percentage is decreased. Okay, the percentage of throwing the garbages to the river is decreased. This is the one of the best mission was given by Narendra Modi. And also, after coming of this mission, the villagers or so many multiplex people, city people get some of the information that we don't want to throw the garbages in the roadside. Okay? You don't want to throw the garbages in the roadside. They kept some of the boxes for throwing the garbages. We want to go and throw the garbages in that. And also in the home, we are going to divide the garbages into the two parts. Like that, some of the revolution came. Some of the revolution came after this Swachh Bharat mission. After seeing this, all the missions and everything, now we are going to discuss about you know that we are going to throw the garbages, right? We just going to throw the garbages in the the basket they put, or some of the garbage collectors will come, they collect the garbages, everything we don't know. But we don't want to know that after the collection of the garbages, where that all the garbages will go. Is they go to burn that garbages, or what they are going to do? Firstly, if all the garbages are collected from the houses or any from the roadside, first they are going to divide it. Okay, they are going to divide that garbages into the some of the useful garbages and all remaining garbages as the waste. Okay, the useful garbages make them fertile to make to the use of the grown to the plant. They make the fertilizers. From that useful garbages, they are going to make the fertilizers by using some of the worms. After that, they are going to use that one fertilizers to the growing of the plant. Okay, one type of the garbages is useful for the growing the plant. Then where this another type of the garbages will go? Like plastic, polythene, polyester, glasses, so many things and remaining, right? Where this all the things will go? Did you think that? Can you tell where this all the garbages will go? Okay. If you don't know, I will tell now where this exactly all the garbages will go. If you think that they are going to dig big, that means area, the big area, they are going to dig the ground. Okay, they are going to dig the ground. In that digging ground, they are going to put all your garbages and close that area. Understood? What they are going to do? They are going to dig some of the areas. Then all that waste garages are dumped in that area. After dumping, they are going to close that area. Then what that area is called as? All the garbages is thrown in that, right? What exactly that area is called as? If you see that, that name for that area is landfill. What is the area? What is that landfill? The area are the low lying open area. What is landfill? Low lying open area. Two types they can fill the garbages. One, they are going to dig the area and they dumped the garbages in that and they closed it. Another type, they are not going to dig the area. They are going to put all the garbages in the open area. The putting of garbages in the open area, we call it as a landfill. That is landfill. We are going to put the garbages in the open area. That open area, we call it as a landfill. Okay. Now we are going to do one activity. Okay, one simple activity we can do. Just collect some of the garbages, okay, some of the garbages that don't go outside from your home and collect the garbages from your neighboring home. Don't do that. Collect the garbages what that you get in your home. Now you just divide that garbages. Now we are going to just divide that garbages into the three part. Okay. What you are going to do? You want to collect you are going to collect the garbages and divide that garbages into three parts. Part 1, part 2, part 3. In the part 1, you just put only the wasted vegetables, fruits and what are the things, the greeneries. In the second one, put only the plastic, polyester, like that related, that type of polymers. And the next, in the third one, put some of the papers, wood, right, that type of the waste in the separate one. Now, you are going to dig some of the area, 3 areas. You are going to dig 3 areas. In that 3 area, now you are going to put the first thing, what you collected, that what is the part 1. I said we want to divide that garbage into the 1, 2, 3, right? In that, the part 1, you kept that part 1 in the digged area. Okay, part 2 in the second one, part 3 in the third one. Like this, you are going to put it. After dumping the garbages, close that area. Okay, close that area. Leave for 2 to 3 days or leave it for 4-5 days. What happens? If after going to open that area, what you are going to see? The first one, what you put that vegetables, waste, fruits and every greenery items in that area, it gets fermented. Okay, it is get converted into the different substance, not the same one. Okay, what you put in that one, it is not same that. It changed into the different. That what you get the fermented, the fertilizer, you can use it for the growing of trees. And also we can use it for the growing of plants also. They are called as the fertilizers. They are the very good fertilizers only. They are called as an organic fertilizers. After that, what you digged and put into the second one, the polyester, plastic and some of the things, glasses like that, it cannot be destroyed, it cannot be break down. Originally how it is, like that only it will be present. Small inch also not dissolved. If you go for the third one, paper and wood, all the things it get, after so many days, it gets start breaking. Okay, up to that it's not start breaking. For 5 to 6 days it will not start it. Okay, so many times it requires, but they are breakable. Okay, they can be breakable and they can be dissolved in the soil also. But now not for only 5 to 5 days. Understood? This is the activity to explain only the greenery items, only the fruits, wasted fruits or wasted vegetables only get fermented to make it as a fertilizer. Another thing we can't do. And another one important thing you want to know about is the composting. Okay, the next important thing you want to know about the composting. What is this meaning of composting? What is it? If you see what is composting means, the rotting and conversion of some material into the manure. What is composting? What is the meaning of composting? Rotting and conversion of some materials. Rotting and conversion of some materials into manure is called as an composting. I said that the vegetables, what are the fruits, wasted fruits, we just put it into the soil, right? That is get rotting. Okay, it gets rotting, it gets fertilized, and conversion of the some materials into the manure. Manure is fertilizer. Okay, this we call it as an composting. What is composting? The process of rotting and conversion of some materials into manure. One more time I will tell. The rotting and conversion of some materials into the manure, we call it as an composting. After that we are going to, after knowing the meaning of the composting, now we are going to discuss about the vermicomposting. What is this vermicomposting? What is this vermi means? Composting, you know, preparation of the manure, the process of conversion of the materials into the manure we know as the composting. What is this vermicomposting? Therefore, in the process, if we are going to use the worms, in the composting, if we are going to use the worms for the composting, that process is known as the vermicomposting. What is vermicomposting? I said that the preparing of the compost with the help of the red worm. I said that red worm, okay. Using of the worms, if the composting takes place, that we call it as an vermicomposting. If you see the example for the vermicomposting, if you are the kids of the farmers means you definitely know. Okay, if you see, they are making the name of the fertilizers like Gobra. Did you heard the name Gobra? How they are going to prepare this Gobra? They are going to prepare this Gobra by using cow dung. And what are the waste particles that present near the field? They are going to put soil layer. After putting the soil layer, they are going to put the cow dung. First they are going to put as the soil layer. After that they are going to put the cow dung. After that, what are the waste that gets there in the field? They are going to put that one, right? All the waste, what type of the waste they got, they will collect and kept it in the one tank. They are going to prepare one tank to put all this waste. After that, what they are going to do? After that, they are going to put some of the red worm in that tank. Again, they put some of the leaves. Again, some cow dung. Everything they put. They closed for several days. After they are closed that tank for the several days. After that, they get the good organic fertilizer. After doing all these things for the some several days they left. Then they get the good organic fertilizer. That good organic fertilizer we called as the name, that one is the fertilizer name is Gobra. They are going to use that one. Understood? And also, if you see that, if you get the holidays, okay, take the example of yourself only. If you are getting the holidays, you will go to your grandmother's home, right? Is it right? You are going to your grandmother's home or right? Yes, you will go, right? Consider, if you see this Bannerghatta, this is little bit like village only. Consider you are present in the middle of the city, that is in the middle of the Bangalore. How it was? It is fully hi-fi, right? No trees are there, full concrete buildings. No one will talk with the next neighboring house like that. If they get the holidays, what will do? They will go for the her grandmother or his grandmother, grandfather house. What they see there? We are telling that we are the city members, we are the good educated members, everything we will tell, we are very clean also, everything we will tell, right? No. If you see the villagers is most cleaner than us. And also they have the very creative mind also, not like us. What we do? If we go for the market means, if we are just taking some example, we are going to the market means we don't taken any bags, right? Nowadays, after some of the revolution, now we are going to take the bags. Okay, the cotton bag like that we are going to carry now. But before, just 3 to 4 years back, if we are going to market means we are not going to carry any of the bags. We are going and we collect all the things what we require. Then we taken the polyester bag. Okay, out of the plastic cover. We just take polyester or plastic cover and we carry the substance or materials what we borrow from the shop. And what we do after that one? We put all the things what we want to the house, we will kept in the house and we throw out the plastic cover. Right? Nowadays what happens? Nowadays if you go and ask in any of the shop to give the plastic cover, there is no plastic cover. They are going to use the paper cover. Is it right or wrong? They are going to use the paper cover for the carrying of the materials. Yeah, we are discussing about the city life. Yeah, we are discussing now. We are going to go back to the village now. Okay, when we are go back to the village life, from the first only, nowadays we are going to carry the bag. But them, from the first only, they are not agreed with this plastic. They are going to carry their own bag from the house. And what are the things they want? They collect it and they come and store in the home. No plastic is there. They carry their separate bags for that. And again they clean the bag and again they reuse. Right? The 3 R's is there. If you taken that 3 R's to your life becomes so good. What are the 3 R means? Reuse, recycle and refuse. These are the 3 important R we want to should accept to our life. What are the 3 R's? Reuse, recycle and refuse. We want to reuse the plastic, recycle the plastic and also we want to refuse the plastic. These are the 3 important things we want to adjust or we want to accept in our life. Yeah, we are discussing that village, right? Yeah, they are going to carry the bags to purchase some of the things. After that, if you see, after the use of your papers, what you have written, the notes and everything, after that completion of that notes or completion of that academic year, what we are going to do? We are going to throw that books, right? We don't want, we are already completed that academic year, we don't want, we are going to the next year, we don't want that books. Otherwise, we are going to give that books for the, giving to the, that who make the pakodas and everything, for them we are going to give that paper. But if you see the village members, by using that paper only, okay, by using that wasted paper or by using that what is the unnecessary papers what we are throwing out, that paper they are going to make into the beautiful hearts. They are going to make the mask. They are going to make that, I said that paper bags. If the paper is very hard, they are going to make the paper bags. They are going to make that paper into to take the some of the materials. They are make it as the packets. They make the cover as the packets. Instead of using the plastic, we can use that packets. Like that, they have the creative ideas. And also if you see that paper, first they are going to cut all that papers and leave, just wet that paper and mix it with some of the material, and they use that paper to make the hardness to the some wooden materials. One more time I just tell that wasted paper. Have we discussing with that wasted paper, right? If that wasted paper what we thrown out, they are going to collect that paper and mix it with the some of the material, like some of that methi seeds, the coriander seeds. They are going to mix with that coriander seed, and they are going to make that into as an thin paste. That paste is used for making the hardness to the some of the wooden materials. They have so creative ideas with them. If you see that they have the so much of creative ideas that they are going to use the wasteful product as an useful material. Understood? How we are going to use this paper? Yes, one time if the paper is usable means, then how we are going to use reuse this paper? Can anyone know? Can anyone know that how we are going to reuse the paper? Okay, I will only tell. Listen, how we are going to reuse the paper means, first we are going to make the paper into the small pieces. Okay, consider that you have the large size of the paper means, first we are going to cut that paper into the small pieces. After that, we are going to add some of the water to the paper to get the paper wetted. First what we are going to do? First we are going to piece that paper into the small pieces. After that, after making the small pieces, we are going to wet the paper by using the some of the water to that. Okay, we want to put some of the water to that, and we want to leave for the some time. We want to cut the paper, we want to pour the water to that one, we want to leave for some time. After that, again you just take the paper, soak it and just distribute that paper in the area where the sunlight will come to dry the paper now. After that, after drying, again take that paper and again make it reverse and again put into the mesh or some of the other particle. Again you want to dry that paper. After that, with that paper, or either by using grinding or by using that paper only, we can create so many beautiful arts. Like paper painting we can do. We can make the paper vases. They are so beautiful. This is how we are going to recycle the paper to the useful product. After that, yeah, now we are discussing about the recycling of the paper, everything we discussed. If you see that in now I said that the villages are so clean, right? We are discussing only about our cities only. If you see, they are taking some of the garbages cover in the hand, they are going and they just thrown that cover in the roadside and they will vent, right? If we put some of the boxes where the people are going to throw the garbages, if you put some of the boxes there, they will not throw in that box. Yes, they will throw in that box. Therefore, the MLAs or the corporators of the respective areas, they want to put the dustbin boxes little bit some of the distance. Consider that within 1 kilometer or 1.5 kilometer, if they are going to put the dustbin boxes means the people are also understood and they also put the garbages into the dustbin only. Are you agree or not? They will do or not? Yes, they will do. They will definitely do. Okay, this is how we are going to collect the garbages and we want to throw it. In the next, the recycling of paper we understood. Now we are going to think that Is that plastic is a boon or a curse? Plastic namak sikkiradu varana athva shapana? We are going to discuss now. Is that plastic is a boon or a curse? Is it boon? If you see, yeah, some of the time we want to consider that what we get the plastic is a boon only. Why? So many, if you see the nowadays, if you see the items, all the things are covered with the plastic only. The milk, starting from the milk, it will come in the plastic covers. Again, the vegetables, food packets, everything, the plastic bag, plastic box, everything what we see, plastic bottles, everything will come in the plastic only. Therefore, we are using the plastic more only. Then how it becomes curse then? Yeah, if you see, if you know that if the plastic is, for the decomposition of the plastic, how many years to be taken? The decomposition of the vegetables and everything will be takes place so easily within 3 to 4 days. But the decomposition of the plastic takes place so many years. Okay, it takes so many years for the decomposition. Therefore, if you just consider that you are just one single carry bag, plastic single carry bag. If you throw the single plastic carry bag in the outside means it takes more than 100 to 150 years to decompose it in the soil. Think then how many plastics we are using. If you see nowadays the animals also get eaten the plastic. If you see the cows, take the examples of the cow. In the stomach of the cow also we are getting the so many plastic materials. See how we are using the plastic then. Understood? That's why the plastic is a boon also and also a curse. Now we are going to stop using this plastic. Now we are going to discuss what are the measurements that can be take place to stop the use of the plastic. We will see one by one. Okay. The first important thing what we are going to do is we make a minimum use of the plastic bags. We reuse the bags whenever it is possible to do. So without any adverse effect. Okay, the first point, we make a minimum use of plastic bags. We reuse the bags whenever it is possible to do. So without any adverse effect. This is the first what we can do. Second one, we inside the shopkeeper use paper bags. We carry a cloth or a jute bag when we go out for shopping. This we already discussed it. We do not use plastic bags to store the eatables. That means what are the eating substances? We don't want to store that eating substances in the plastic bags. Next point, we do not throw plastic bags here and there after use. When your work of that plastic bag is completed means don't throw that plastic bag where you want. You want to put it into the garbage bucket only. That is in the dustbin only. Next, we never burn plastic bags and other plastic items. We don't want to burn the plastic bags and also the plastic items. Next, we do not put garbages in the plastic bags and throw it away. Next, we use vermicomposting at the home and deal with our kitchen waste useful. In the home only we are going to do the vermicomposition. That all the kitchenary items what we get, that we want to make it as a good fertilizer or a good manure. Next one, we use we recycle the paper. I already be explaining with the recycling of paper, how we are going to recycle the paper. Next, we use both sides of the paper to write. We use a slate for rough work. We use blank sheet of the paper left in our notebook for the rough work. Absolutely we are doing. We make our family, friends and others to follow the proper practices for the disposing different kinds of the wastes. These are the some of the important things what we are going to do to control the use of the plastic. I said that if it is continuously, it is going for the another 20 to 30 years, what happens means there is no space left to put our garbages. Every space we want to put the garbages only. Nothing will remain. So if there's so much of garbages is entered to the life system means there is no space to leave the garbages out. Okay, that's why we are going to control our life nature. Understood? This completes your lesson, that is garbages in and also the garbages out. I hope you understand the every important thing what you want to understand in this lesson. Thank you students and bye everyone.